Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm just going to unbox the 6GB nvidia graphic card RTX3050 Zotac brand. These are the details of this graphic card, the back side of the box. So have a look, and key features here the mention. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is a model number and part number. Here you can see Zotac gaming geforce graphic card. Let's unbox the unit. Comes with a user manual. There is no CD inside, there is no DVD inside. So single fan graphic card, 6GB. Power is not required. Minimum power supply 300 watts power supply need. So there is no other accessories inside, only one graphic card. Zotac brand geforce Rtx3050 6GB graphic card, only single fan. You can see the connectivities: one HDMI port and 3 display port, 1 2 3, and one HDMI port, this one. You can see how the build quality, cheap, 6GB graphic card. So normal PC also we can use, without power it will work. Zotac brand RTX3050 6GB graphic card. Thank you for watching. Please like the video.